Like all the time when you're doing something, you can offer us like today.
Yeah.
We enjoy it.
Then my opinion is every minute, any experience here, you have to take.
Yes, you're right. You're really right.
Yes.
Also, nice boat. I saw yesterday in the noon boats, and the lights were on. And what this size, maybe a little bit bigger, is the noon party. Not party, but dinner or something like that
Yes.
after the sunset. Is
Yeah.
this something like that?
Yes, yes. That is all safari boats.
Not going from here or going
Uh,
from where starting?
and they are coming from another island.
Ah, okay, yes.
So a lot of people now these days.
They come
Too
to
much crowd.